Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up board game Torres for 2 players. To set up board game Torres for 2 players, first choose the colors of the knights. You can choose from yellow, blue, purple or green. And then when these 2 players have chosen their colors, you can put one knight of each color on 0 on scoreboard. Then put remaining 6 players in front of 6 knights in front of the player. And then give each player 10 action cards of their color. So for the green player are gonna be 10 green cards face down, and for the purple one are gonna be 10 purple action cards also face down. Then put 8 building segments on the board in these places. And then take a face card corresponding to the number of players. In that case it's gonna be 2 players, and put it for everyone to see on the table. And now when you have this face card, you can see that in the first phase there are gonna be 4 towers, 3 segments each. So give both players 12 segments in 4 towers, 3 segments each. For the green player, and then the younger player puts one of their knights on one of the towers on the board, and the older one puts their knight on another tower of choice, and the older also gets to put a king on one of the towers of choice. And now the game is set up and ready to play. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.